my family and friends. How you guys doing? We're actually on my niece's bike here. Adjust you guys a little bit. Yep. We're on my niece's bike. It's a trek. Not that bad. Oh, going a little bit too fast, or I don't know what's going on, but I feel like we're going a little bit too fast for the bike. My brother's ahead of me. That's alright. Let him wear himself out. Whee! Hey, gonzo! Hey, hi. I got on the bike. Hopefully, my niece doesn't really care. This is Delaware, Claymont, Delaware. Oh my God, my hip. I fell earlier today doing yard work. Fell off of some stairs like an idiot. Should have had my camera. But my brother doesn't want anything to be shown until he debuts his yard to his Facebook friends. Woo! Copper. Woo woo! He's not that far. But anyway, guys, we'll see you here shortly. Oh yeah, look at these little row homes, apartments. God, I hate hills. Hills kills. But anyway, I'm gonna go try to catch up to him. We'll see you shortly. Whoa, buddy, whoa, buddy, whoa. I don't know what's going on. Somebody got in trouble. Counties, and unmarked cruiser. These two ladies are getting in trouble. I don't know. I just had to be nosy. No crime against that. So what's up there, guys? You guys have to come up with a live stream broadcast schedule. I tried to do a live stream where I did it, but nobody showed up. And some of you guys want to show up to my live streams. I've been saying this for a week now. When my dog Ashes should be arriving today. I don't know, but it's under my dad's name, so I have to I will have to wait for him so we both can pick up Chaplin's remains. I will also be scheduling a broadcast viewing for you guys, for her. That dog was a hell of a dog. Last night I went out the door. You know, usually when I go out the door with her, I'll make her bark, you know. Her and I would bark, have fun, prance around in the backyard or wherever we're at. And that really touched me. Because I can't do some of the stuff that I did with her, you know. To another dog, it's not fair to me. You know, she would prance around, frolic in the grass, wherever we were. Shut up, phone. Who's all texting me? You know, I've been on this damn YouTube shit for since 2011. It is not as easy as you think. You don't become famous overnight. You don't become a sensation overnight. doing this for 6 years. But anyway, I lost my main concentration here. Okay, scheduling. You guys will have to come up with that and talk like a community. You guys have to decide among each other, among you guys. You guys have to come with an agreement so I can pick out a date, a day, time to live stream. So I'm ordering you guys to discuss it as a community with each other. When and should I video or live stream? Sound like a good idea? Yeah? Alright, well, I got things to do and places not to be. But anyway, I'll get off this boring little subject just for you guys.
So it's been raining all day. I didn't bring my gorilla tripod, whatever they call it. I just hopped in the truck. I said it's time to go and let my parents' dog go use the bathroom. It's a little bit dark and gray that way. Way that way. You gotta be careful. Cops are out and about, so I don't want to get a ticket. So I don't have my license with me right now. So I will get back to you if the weather gets a little gnarlier. Somebody almost got wrecked. But anyway, peace till then. Dude, I can say I truly do miss this rain. It's lightning and thundering. I haven't seen this since I was in Arizona. That was like probably 2017, the beginning of it, since I've seen the rain. It's been a freaking while. I love the gnarly sounds of the thunder and lightning. I stayed out of light. I was sitting at a light. It changed like 3 cycles, and I looked towards the direction I was coming home, and it went pow, 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 pow like 5 times. Cloud to cloud lightning. But I gotta go in there, into the house, and let my parents' dog go out to use the bathroom. Well guys, I'll be back. Dude, it is actually coming down pretty damn good. They said this was going to be a hell of a storm, and they're not lying. I'm a little bit soaked. I just came from taking out my parents' dog. I'm still in the driveway, debating whether to drive off back to my brother's place. My brother and his in my sister-in-law's place. Damn, it's a coming. Heck yeah. All right, well, I gotta go mosey on down that way. Peace. Damn it! Damn, that had to have been 20 feet away from me. Fucking lightning. My reaction when that lightning hit the button. I am so sorry, guys. Woo! I am not lying. Dude. Just on the other side of that house was the lightning strike. Thank God I stayed put. That was close, man. That was close. Woo! That scared me, man. I had my hand on top. Whoa, there it goes again. Alright. I'm gonna face it this way. Like I was saying, I had my hand on top. Let me turn down the had my hand on top of the on button or the record button, and when that strike of lightning struck down, about 20 feet or 15 feet closer. Whew. Sorry. I don't think I should be holding you guys. I'm gonna mosey on out of here. I got, like I said in the last clip. Peace.
Okay. I don't know what is going on with my GoPro, but it just decided to act a little bit funny. Well, I am going to let you guys go, and I'm gonna get ready for the next vlog. My sister-in-law wants me to do a noodle challenge of some sort. Hopefully I can get that into the next vlog. And then my brother wants me to do a ghost pepper challenge, which I am most definitely not going to do, I feel. I don't feel like, I don't know, but I'm most definitely going to try to get the noodle challenge. It's supposed to be spicy as hell, but I don't know. But anyway, guys, hope see you in the next vlog, and decide on what day and time I should do a live stream. Peace, love, stay true, and be happy, folks.